From stone to spectacle, the metamorphosis of marble. Look around you, what do you see? Buildings, statues, countertops. These everyday objects can be made of something extraordinary. Marble. Marble is not just a rock, it is a story. This story begins deep within the earth, millions of years ago. It starts with simple limestone or dolomite. These rocks are transformed by intense heat and pressure, a process called metamorphosis. It's like a caterpillar changing into a butterfly. The result is marble, a rock of strength and beauty. Marble has captivated us for centuries. Its smooth texture and elegant appearance are prized. We use it to create lasting works of art and build structures that stand the test of time. Marble is a testament to the power of nature, reminding us that even the ordinary can become extraordinary. The Earth's oven, heat, pressure, and the making of marble. Imagine the Earth as a giant oven. Deep inside, temperatures are incredibly hot and the pressure is immense. It's in this fiery crucible that marble is born. Limestone or dolomite, our starting ingredients, are buried deep underground. Over time, they're subjected to incredible heat and pressure. This isn't just a simple baking process, it's a transformation. The heat and pressure cause the minerals in the limestone or dolomite to recrystallize. These new crystals interlock, forming a much denser and harder rock. This process is what we call metamorphism. This metamorphosis doesn't happen overnight. It takes millions of years for marble to form. It's a slow, gradual process, creating the beautiful and durable stone we know as marble. Each step adds to the final product. Marble's homeland's a global tapestry of stone. Marble is found all around the world, gracing different countries and continents. Some of the most famous marble comes from Italy, particularly the Carrara quarries. Michelangelo's David was carved from Carrara marble. Greece has a rich marble heritage, using it extensively in ancient times. The Parthenon is a testament to their mastery of this material. India's Taj Mahal, a monument to love, is primarily built from white marble. Its beauty is a testament to the skill of Mughal architects. The United States boasts its own marble deposits, from Vermont to Colorado. American marble graces buildings and monuments across the nation. From the Lincoln Memorial to the Capitol building, American marble stands as a symbol of national pride. Marble's global presence highlights its enduring appeal. A palette of stone, unlocking the secrets of marble's colors. Marble is not just white, it comes in a rainbow of colors. From pure white to deep blacks, earthy browns, and even greens, marble displays a stunning array of hues. The secret to these colors lies in the impurities present during marble's formation. Imagine the original limestone or dolomite as a blank canvas. As marble forms, other minerals can be incorporated into its structure, adding splashes of color. Iron oxides can create warm hues like yellow, red, or brown. Serpentine can lend a beautiful green hue to the marble. Graphite can create streaks of grey or black, adding depth and character. Each piece of marble is unique, its colour and pattern telling a story. They speak of the geological processes that transpired millions of years ago. This unique beauty makes marble highly prized. Echoes in stone marble's enduring legacy in art and architecture. Throughout history, marble has been the material of choice for artists and architects. Its strength, durability, and beauty have made it an ideal medium for expressing creativity and building for the ages. The ancient Greeks and Romans were masters of marble, sculpting lifelike figures and building imposing temples. The Venus de Milo exemplifies the grace and beauty achieved with marble. During the Renaissance, artists like Michelangelo breathed new life into marble sculpture. His David stands as a testament to the artistic possibilities of this material. The Taj Mahal embodies the ethereal beauty achieved with white marble. In the modern era, architects continue to incorporate marble into their designs. From grand government buildings to sleek corporate lobbies, marble adds elegance and sophistication. The Lincoln Memorial stands as a symbol of American democracy and the enduring power of this material. A delicate strength, protecting marble's timeless beauty. While marble is strong and durable, it requires care to maintain its beauty. One of the biggest threats to marble is acid rain. Acid rain forms when pollutants mix with rainwater, creating a weak acid. When acid rain contacts marble, It reacts with the calcium carbonate, causing the marble to dissolve slowly. This can etch the surface, dulling its shine and obscuring details. Over time, acid rain can cause significant damage to marble structures. Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial. Using gentle cleaners and applying sealant can help protect marble from environmental factors. These steps ensure marble's beauty endures for generations. Where mountains collide, the birthplaces of marble. The story of marble begins deep within the earth, in regions where tectonic plates collide. These collisions give rise to mountain ranges and are essential for marble formation. As tectonic plates converge, immense pressure and heat are generated. Limestone or dolomite deposits, caught in this geological vice, are transformed. The heat and pressure act like a giant oven, baking and transforming the original rocks. Over time, the minerals recrystallize, forming the dense, crystalline structure of marble. Regions with a history of mountain building, like the Alps and the Himalayas, are often home to vast marble deposits. A world of marble, exploring the varieties of this noble stone. Not all marble is created equal. There are numerous types, each with unique characteristics. Carrara marble from Italy is known for its pure white color and subtle veining. Michelangelo's David is a testament to its beauty and workability. Calacata marble, also from Italy, is characterized by bold, dramatic veining. It is often used for statement pieces like countertops and feature walls. Statuario marble, one of the rarest types, is known for its pure white color and fine grain. Michelangelo favored statuario for his sculptures. These are just a few examples of the many types of marble found around the world. Each variety has its own unique beauty and characteristics. Marble remains a versatile and enduring material for art, architecture, and design. From quarry to masterpiece, the journey of marble. The journey of marble from quarry to masterpiece involves a series of steps, each requiring precision and expertise. The first step is quarrying, the process of extracting marble blocks from the earth. Traditionally, this involved manual labor, but today modern equipment assists in the extraction process. Once extracted, the marble blocks are transported to processing plants, where they are cut into slabs and tiles. Skilled technicians use diamond-tipped saws to ensure precise cuts and minimize waste. The next step is polishing, transforming the raw surface into a smooth, reflective finish. This involves using progressively finer abrasives to reveal the stone's natural beauty. Finally, the finished marble is ready for its final destination, whether it's a sculptor's studio or a construction site. Skilled artisans and installers transform these pieces into works of art and architectural elements. Marble's global impact, a legacy of beauty and concern. Marble's journey from quarry to consumer is a global affair, involving extraction, processing, transportation, and trade. This industry provides jobs and economic opportunities, but also raises environmental and social concerns. Quarrying can disrupt habitats and cause pollution. Responsible practices such as minimizing waste and restoring quarry sites are essential. Transportation contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Alternative methods can help reduce the carbon footprint. Ensuring fair treatment and safe working conditions for marble workers is crucial for sustainability. The quest for alternatives, balancing demand and sustainability. The global demand for marble continues to grow, driven by its timeless beauty and versatility. However, the environmental and social impacts of natural marble extraction have led to a search for sustainable alternatives. Engineered stone, made from crushed quartz, pigments and resins, mimics the look of natural stone. Porcelain slab, a type of ceramic tile, offers a durable and moisture-resistant alternative. While these alternatives offer certain advantages, they may not fully replicate the natural beauty of marble. The choice between natural marble and its alternatives depends on individual preferences and project requirements. A future etched in stone, preserving marble's legacy. Marble has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring artists and architects. As we move forward, it's crucial to balance our admiration for marble with respect for the environment. By embracing responsible practices and considering sustainable alternatives, we can ensure marble's legacy endures. Let us be mindful stewards of this precious resource, preserving its legacy for future generations. The future of marble is etched in our choices and actions, ensuring its story continues to unfold.